Wanna know Rupert? To my mind, Rupert are one of the most naturally funny Jamaicans. When I say naturally funny, I mean say him not have to try, just saw him talk and behave. Listen for yourself. Right yesterday, I make fun of poor Rupert. I tease him to smarty breeding. Can you imagine? And Rupert a cuss like hell.
Rupert, when see the pregnant, yeah, them breed you. Who breed you? But that's giant ears, you know. Me kill him.
Who you kill?
But it's a giant ears.
Oh, what you going to have? Sunday, vegetable, big tail. How one get canisha? And rice. This mighty hand, keep us safe from Hades parent. Come let our great perish, now our great Heavenly Father, come to thee from about Jamaica, boom. What you want? Tell me.
It sound like Rupert in some serious money worries, man. And he want to hold it down.
You owe me $150 for 2 years, so you can give me $500.
Cockahell.
What?
Cockahell.
Cockahell.
Rupert, where that word come from, brother?
You want too much money.
Alright.
$150, that's much interest.
Your boss there now, and him a go pay you, so me not left you today.
No, you can get half of the money. No.
So what you can't give me half, but me here you offer woman half my money. Me here woman come there and say me I give you half my money. I dream my man. Okay.
What you want have something to give?
Right.
If I'm look up on your belly button.
Yes.
Are you in the bush in Getty?
You get the family coupon on.
In the bush. You Rupert in the bush in Getty?
Tell us the family coupon on the girl with you.
Right. That's
Yeah.
my friend.
Right now.
Put the coupon on
In
it.
the bush?
The girl let me give you.
A girl give it to me.
Of
In the
course, of
bush?
course.
Anyway.
Anyway.
In the
Anyway.
bush?
Anyway. Brother went tell me say. Brother went tell me say. Come and say to me say.
Yeah.
Back to when the heat in my mouth, poor Rupert.
Rupert, when see the pregnant? When see the pregnant? Yeah. Them breed you. Who breed you? But that's giant ears, you know. Me kill him.
Who you kill?
But it's a giant ears. You want him? Name out. Name again. My darling, I'm not coming now. I'm not come. Wait. I'm not come. And Papa said to me, say, me brilliant. Shut up, I'm out. Shut up, I'm out. Shut up, I'm out. I don't come. Say, me darling, turn him back after me. I say, who better lower? You're brilliant.
Alright, here the menu for the Sunday dinner, you know.
It's bad for me.
But for today's Sunday, you're going to have pig's tail and vegetable.
Okay.
What you going to have?
Sunday, vegetable, big tail. How one get canisha? And rice. What again?
You want stamina too?
Yeah.
What you don't do with stamina?
Not drinking.
How you do after?
Pet.
So who give you McKenway? Who give you stamina? Who give you the stamina?
My friend.
Okay.
Not you, my friend.
Strong box, so you're
Strong
back here, so
box.
can't hurt you.
Where your back good for?
My back.
Good for your back.
Yeah.
Oh,
You must have come give me, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Strong back.
Hold on a little bit right there, sir. How will Rupert I do with strong back? Hold on just a minute, hold on 1 sec. In the next clip, I'm going to tell you about his experiences with Punani. Let's see if that he use the strong back for.
Nani.
Okay.
Eh?
No.
What you say, I'm treated? What you say?
He went to, let me tell you, he went to raw.
Eh?
Me couldn't take him.
Oh.
What you say, Rupert? It went too raw. So like I hit it, I go hit him, my boss.